Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel IT Lab Genius. In today's session, we are taking a Excel 3 benefit analysis. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can turn your assignment by watching this video. Here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, or complete course. I will provide you a plus grade in your assignments, exam, and complete course. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Title of assignment is Excel 3F benefit analysis. Okay. Now moving on step number one. Step number one is that open the Excel workbook, student Excel 3F. Basically, in this step, we will have to download the Excel workbook from MATLAB dashboard. I have already downloaded Excel book from MATLAB dashboard. You can see here. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, and quizzes. You can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description. Okay. I have already downloaded this Excel file from MATLAB dashboard. Now moving on step number 2. Step number 2 is that change theme colors of to blue to in the analysis sheet in cell A1 tab city of orange blossom beach and then merge and center the title across column A to F. Apply the title cell style to the merge cell. Okay, basically in this step we will have to change the title. Then we will type city of orange blossom beach in cell A1. Okay, moving on Excel workbook. Then merge and center the title across column A to F. Apply the title cell style to the merge. Then we will apply cell style, title cell style. Okay, go to Excel workbook, go to colors, then this apply this theme of color blue 2, then in the analysis sheet, then tap cell city of orange blossom beach and cell A1, then we will tap in cell A1, tap in formula bar. Okay, city of orange blossom beach. And then merge and center the, we will merge and center this, we will merge and center the cross column A to F, column A to F, merge and center. Select this column A to F, A to F, then we will go to home tab and merge and center, merge and center. Okay, it will be merge and center apply. Apply the data style to the merge and merge cell. Go to the Excel workbook. Go to the cell style and apply title cell style. Okay. I have done this step. You can see here. Now moving on next step. This step is completed. Now I have done 2 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 3. Step number 3 is that in cell A2 tab city employee benefit analysis 2016 to 2020 and then merge and center the subtitle across A to F. Apply the heading 1 cell style to the merge cell. Basically in this step we will have to tab in cell 2 city employee benefit analysis 2016 to 2020 then merge and center to the subtitle across column A to F. Okay, first we will tab this. Okay, we will tab this inside A2 city employees Okay, you can tap this. Then margin center. Then margin center across column A to F. Okay, first we will tap this to 2020. Okay. Then margin center the subtitle across column A to F. Okay, A to F. Then go to home then margin center. Okay, margin center column A to F. Okay, done this step. Apply the heading 1 cell style to the merge cell. Okay, we will apply cell style, heading 1 cell style. Okay. Go to cell style and heading 1 cell style. Here is heading 1. Okay, done this step. I have done this step. Step number 3 is completed now. Now moving on step number 4. Step number 4 is that in the range B4 to F4, fill the year range with the value 2016 through 2020. In cell A5, tap average annual cost per employee and in cell A6, tap percent increase. Basically, in this step, we will tap average annual cost per employee in cell A5 and fill year range with the value 2016 to 2020. Okay. Okay, first we will in the range year 2000. Okay, go to as verb 2016, 2017, 2018, 2020, 2019, to next 2020. And type average annual cost per employee in cell A6. Click on cell A6 and type this average cell per cost. Average annual cost per average annual cost per employee in cell A6. A5, sorry, in cell A5. Cost per employee. Okay, A6 tab percent increase. Click on cell A6 and tab percent increase. Okay, I have done this step. This step is completed now. I have done 4 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 5. Step number 5 is that auto fit column A and then change the width of column B to F to 11.100 in cell B5. Enter 2842 in cell C5. Enter 24385 in cell D5. Enter 25938 in cell E5. Enter 26742 and cell F5. Enter 27567 auto with column A. Basically we will moving on Excel workbook. Auto with column A. Auto fit column A, go to format and auto fit column. Okay, then change the width of column BF to 11. We will change of width of column B to F. We will select column B to F first, then we will change width. First we select column B to F. Okay, and then change width of column BF to 11 and cell B enter 21842, insert C5, enter 24385. Okay, column width. First we change this column, we do 11.00. Okay, it's done. Change data. Then right click and change data 11.00. Okay. Then click on column D and right click. Okay, change column width 11.00, 11.0. Okay, then right click on column E and change 11 data column width. Right click on column F. Okay, then change data and column width 11. Okay, it's done. This step is done. Now moving on, in cell B5 enter 21, click on cell B5, enter this value. Now cell C5, enter this value 24385. In cell C5 24385, 24385. Now on cell D5 enter 25938, enter 25938. Okay, then in cell D5 enter 26742, 26742. In cell C5 26742, in cell F5 27560, 27560. I have done this step. Step number 5 is completed of this assignment. Now moving on next step. Next step is step number 6. In step number 6, apply currency 0 cell style to the value B5 to F5. Okay. Then apply the heading 1 cell style to the years and apply the heading 4 cell style to the range A5 to A6. Auto fit column width as necessary. Basically in step we will apply currency cell style to the value B5 to F5. Then apply the heading 1 cell style to the years and apply the heading 4 cell style to the ranges A5 to A6. Then auto fit column width as necessary. You can contact me for your assignments, exam quizzes or complete course. You can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description. My WhatsApp link is given in description and my email also given in description. You can contact me through my email and WhatsApp. I will provide you A+ grade in your assignment, exams and quizzes. If you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me. I will give you very reasonable price. I can do all courses, accounting, finance, math. Okay, click on. First we select this ranges and apply currency cell style to the value. Apply currency cell style. Go to the cell style. Then apply currency cell style. Okay, here is currency cell style. It's done. Then apply the heading 1 cell style to the years and apply the heading 4 cell style to the ranges 5 to 6. Apply the heading 1 cell style to the years. Go to cell style, heading 1 cell style to the year. Okay. Then apply the heading 4 cell style to the ranges A5 to A6. First we select this ranges A5 to A6. Then heading 4 cell style. Then auto fit column width as necessary. Okay, we will auto fit column as necessary. I have done 6 steps of this assignment. For remaining step or you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description. You can contact me. I can do all courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SS. You can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. I will provide you A+ grade professional work. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you so much. Best